Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to open an XML file in Excel so you can view and edit structured data easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Microsoft Excel on your device, which is the spreadsheet program used to organize, calculate, and analyze data in tables. Step 2. Click on the File tab located at the top left of the toolbar. This tab takes you to the Backstage view where file options like Open, Save and Print are available. Step 3. Click on Open and then select Browse to access files stored on your computer. Step 4. Navigate to the location of your XML file, select it, then click Open to load it into Excel. This step connects your saved XML data with Excel so the program can read its structured format. Step 5. In the dialog box, choose the option as an XML table and click OK. This converts the XML data into rows and columns inside the worksheet. This option is useful because it organizes the data into a readable table that you can sort, filter, and edit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.